Is it? I didn't realize that. I always just think 500,000, half a mil. I never think quarter mil. It's too far from being a mil.
Quarter of a million.
You're really good at math. Okay, I'm starting. Okay. Hi, you guys, and welcome. Oh my God! Okay.
And now I'm stargazing. You think for the stars, but I've been scarred lately. Taking keys, stealing cars, we just some lost babies. Live too fast, now I'm grown. Excuses in my head, I ain't thinking I'm wrong.
Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a really special haul, you guys. This is my official pre-birthday haul. Even though by the time you guys see this, it will have already been my birthday. It was on August 2nd, but it's okay. Act like it's new. We had a pre-birthday haul, which I'll put the thumbnail right here. I promise I won't forget. Bianca's actually over there. That was her laughing and sabotage. Can you see her? No. No. Her laughing and trying to sabotage my intro, but that's okay. She'll remind me, but I'll put the thumb there, like I said, so you can see the pre-birthday haul. This is just the pre-birthday haul, and then we'll have an official birthday haul, and then probably like a do not say our Lord's name in vain. So anyways, yes, all the hauls. So like I said, this video is going to be a haul, and it's pretty special because the things that I have to show you, they're kind of color coordinated, but they're also amazing. So I cannot wait to share them all with you guys. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. I post videos here twice a week. Sometimes on Wednesdays and Thursdays, but always on Sundays, you guys. So if you are interested, I post videos to do with everything real life luxury. That is my tagline here on my channel. So if you're interested in any of those things, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become a part of the BREECARA family, you guys. Also, don't forget to turn on that little bell so that you get notified every single time I post a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at BREECARA, all one word, all spelled out. Well, you guys, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So you guys, before we hop into today's luxury haul, I do want to give a really big shout out to the sponsor of today's video, GoCashBack.com. You guys, if you are not familiar with what GoCashback is, it is essentially a Google extension website that is going to help you save a ton of money anytime you shop at your favorite stores. They've got stores like Sephora, Neiman Marcus, along with a lot of other amazing brands, you guys. It's super duper easy to use. So you guys, I do have a discount code, and I'm gonna put it right here on the screen. It is BREECARA, all one word, all spelled out, all caps. And when you guys sign up to use this app using my code, you will get an $8 registration bonus to start your shopping. I know $8 is a lot of money, but you guys, a little goes a long way. Anything helps, especially when you're a luxury addict like me, like us. I'm assuming since you're here on this channel that you're obsessed with luxury like me. So you guys, do not forget to check out GoCashBack.com. As usual, I will leave all the good stuff down in the description box below, you guys. Okay, so you guys, it is super easy to sign up for GoCashback. Literally, all you do is go to the website, and then you are just going to enter your pertinent information and sign up. And you guys, you can literally start shopping and earning money right away. So basically how this works is that once you reach a cash available balance of $20 or more, then it's available to be redeemed. You can also redeem that little registration bonus of $8 that you got from signing up with my link at that time as well. And then after the first time going forward, all you need is $10 in your account to withdraw, and it's super easy. You can get your cash back with PayPal transfer, with gift cards, with anything like that. So it's super easy. So you guys, I definitely took advantage of GoCashback for this haul. I purchased my Dior book tote. I purchased these amazing skincare products from Fresh, you guys, along with my cult favorite dim light from Hourglass. I really love using this Google extension. It's super easy to use and it saves us money. So you guys, GoCashback, it literally, once you sign up for it, it just downloads automatically as a Google extension. So you literally never miss an opportunity to earn cash back. It's like a little helper if you think about it. And I'm completely obsessed because never have I ever seen like cashback rates as good as they are on GoCashback. So literally for Dior, you get 9% cash back. So that means anytime you spend $100 at Dior, which happens super easy, you get $9 back. That's how I got this book tote. Holla at your girl. Alrighty, you guys, let's go ahead and get into the video. So I'll see you in a couple of seconds. I love you so much. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get into today's haul. Like I said, it is a really special one for a lot of reasons you're gonna see in like 5 seconds. So without further ado, let's hop into it. So the first item I'm going to show you today, oh my gosh, please don't fall, was actually a gift. So this right here, you guys, is my rose box from Rose Forever. So these are their amazing flowers, you guys. They are real roses, 100% real roses. They smell amazing and they're gonna last for up to a year. They come in this gorgeous pink velvet box. I'm completely obsessed. They smell so pretty. I love these roses, you guys. I do have a discount code that you guys can use if you want to check out Rose Forever, which I will leave down in the description box below as well. But thank you so much to Rose Forever for sending these for my birthday. This was so sweet, you guys. So yes, I'm completely obsessed with these roses. How gorgeous are they? And I keep them upstairs in my office. I'll pop a little picture right here so you can see where I keep them. But yes, this was my first birthday gift. Love these so much. Love Rose Forever flowers. Okay, so next up, I think we're just gonna bring out the big guns. I've actually had this item for a really long time. It's very limited edition. It was a part of a super duper cool collab with my favorite brand ever in life. We already know it's Dior. But like I said, I've had this bag for, I think it's been 2 months, and literally have not got to wear it, have not got to wear it, have not gotten to take it off the shelf, have not gotten to post pictures of it because it was waiting for this day right here. So let me show you. Okay, you guys, so without further ado, oh wow, you guys, like that's all I have to say. So this is, oh my gosh, this is the Dior Dragonfire book tote. I believe this is for fall and winter 2021. So it seems like it's pretty brand new, but the collection is now sold out. There was this book tote, there was a little Dior D-Light, which I'll pop right there. I think there was like an outfit too, but you guys, this collection is sick. It's amazing. When I saw this, this was a no-brainer. I love a luxury piece that's a no-brainer. Like, I couldn't live without this in my life. Oh, I also think that I included this in one of my luxury wish lists, which I'll pop the video right up there. But just a moment, because like how gorgeous is this book tote, you guys? I'm gonna give you all the mod shots, all the close-ups, but I am completely obsessed. So it is the Dragonfire. It's got what looks to be, and I'm not a dinosaur expert, but I think these are raptors. Is it a raptor or is it a T-Rex? I think they may be T-Rex, right? I don't know. A little Jurassic Park moment. But how gorgeous is this? Like, I think this is the funnest print in the world. I'm completely obsessed with it. Okay, so moving right along, what would a birthday haul be without an item from Hermes? So gorgeous orange box. Oh, and by the way, that's the theme for this video, orange, as you can tell, orange and pink, hint. So Hermes box, they are a pair of Orient sandals, you guys. So let me just say, Hermes is doing its thing right now because these Hermes sandals are amazing. And you can see a little sneak peek right there. So typical dust bags, receipts, all that on the top. And the shoes, so these are these ultra gorgeous Hermes Orient sandals, but they're in this fur. When I tell you, I put these on, because I got them in the mail a couple of days ago. I put these on, you guys, and they literally feel like you're walking on a cloud. They're in this super gorgeous, bright, hot pink color. I'm completely obsessed. So this is what they look like. Absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, it literally feels like you are walking on a cloud, a very expensive cloud, but a cloud nonetheless. They are so gorgeous and very flattering on. Like, I love this. I got it in my typical size. It is in a size 38. They're just beautiful. Okay, so next up, 2 pairs of shoes. I've been completely obsessed with this brand lately, I'm not gonna lie. Like over the span of like a month and a half, I think I've literally purchased like 6 pairs of shoes from this brand. So it is, and actually I don't wanna do these. Oh yeah, we're gonna do these first, thank you. I have a little helper over there. Amina thank you, lighting. Amina Muaddi, surprise, surprise. Like I said, I've been completely obsessed, so, oh no, these are, why are they in the wrong shoebox? Can I have that? Okay, that's what happens when I repackage things. Okay, so Amina Muaddi's, and so inside, gorgeous pink satin dust bag moment. You guys, when you see these shoes, you're going to die. As far as I can see, they are completely sold out. So you either get them early or you get them through a personal shopper. You guys, okay. So these are brand new. These actually came in the mail today. So still in the good old packaging. So let's open them together. Okay. My hands are kind of shaking because that's how gorgeous this shoe is. You guys, like how absolutely beautiful is this shoe? So this is Amina Muaddi. It is the Begum heel in the new orange satin. Like, it's just absolutely beautiful. As you can tell, we're having a full-on orange moment right here. Beautiful. So let's open the other one up. So this one is the one that I took out of the bag because I had to make sure that it was gonna fit and look cute on me. Oh, so beautiful. Like how gorgeous is this shoe, you guys? This orange is absolutely stunning. I'm not gonna say obsessed. They're so beautiful. They're so beautiful. All right, you guys, last but certainly not least, it is another pair of Amina Muaddi's. And so this particular pair, you guys, it is now sold out, except for, no, that's a lie. You can still get them on Neiman Marcus. Neiman Marcus was the last to get these. Like Saks has had them. I got mine from Net-a-Porter, however you say it. This was my first time ever shopping on that particular website, but I couldn't find them anywhere else. Like Nordstrom was not carrying these, so it comes with like all this Net-a-Porter packaging. I don't know what this is, okay? They have beauty, so shout out to Net-a-Porter Beauty. But it came with like a Net-a-Porter ribbon, and then you get all this fun stuff. I think this is like maybe the receipt and the return voucher or something. But anyways, Amina Muaddi dust bag. And inside of here is the most amazing pair of heels, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I have already worn these shoes. Luxury is made to be worn, so they may or may not have gotten a little spot on them because I wore them to the strip club. I was out until 6 in the morning, okay? Birthday celebration. But let me show you what they are. Okay, we're never recording. Just put everything back in the box.
Really?
No, yes, we weren't recording. Okay, so you guys, yeah. So these are the Amina Muaddi. These are the Gilda sandals. So it's the Gilda with the 3 strap because Amina also makes a Gilda with just the 2 strap. These are also in a beautiful like orange satin color, and they're bejeweled with all these multicolored crystals. And if you notice, they match my nails. Didn't do that on purpose, but you know, when it's fate, it's fate. When it's right, it's just right. You guys, how stunning is this shoe? Now, I will say that these shoes to me are like the most uncomfortable shoes in the world. It's this strap right here. It just kind of makes it feel like it's choking your ankle. I wore these out, like I said, the other morning. I was out until 6 a.m. So I started off at a friend's birthday dinner, went to a lounge, and then ended at this strip club and was out for like, from 9:30 to 6:30 in the morning, and wore these heels the whole time, and they were pretty uncomfy, not gonna lie. Well, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Like I said, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that amazing stuff. And don't forget to check out GoCashBack.com, you guys. We all love a little saving money moment, okay? Anytime you can get a little something extra, and that's exactly what GoCashBack.com is gonna help you get. And plus, you can find some of your favorite stores on there, like Neiman Marcus and Sephora. Girl, go ahead and sign up using my card. Don't use my card. Use my code. You'd have a lot more fun with my card. But for now, just use my code BREECARA. When you guys sign up, you will get $8 off your first purchase, you guys. So do not forget to check out GoCashBack.com. All of the good stuff will be down in the description box below per usual. And you guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you in a couple of days. Wow.
I'm done. That was it.
The sabotagery is real. Okay. Editor-in-chief over there. Trying to ruin my life and my videos. Anyways.